Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo device to Realme GT Neo 3. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices, click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other device. After that, you need to select Receive on Realme and Send on Oppo. Then click on all of those type of dots and select Send over here. This way you can choose all of your files that you wish to transfer and do that later on. It will take a long time though to transfer all of mine, so I will go with only one, choose Send and click on Get It. Over here on Realme, choose No Thanks and close this window. Now we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon here, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at this code. But we can also input this key over here and then select Receive button. And now, as you can see, after a while, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!